All right, 13, 14. Chapter 4. All right. So, all right. We got a factor. But you guys also have to tell me what X cannot be. Okay? Where the asymptotes are. All right? We do need to talk about vertical and horizontal asymptotes. For right now, we'll wait for the final for that. Okay? Right now, you're just going to tell me where the vertical asymptotes are. And that's where X cannot go to 0. Okay? Then for the final, when we come back, we'll talk about how you can figure out where the horizontal asymptotes are. Okay? Alright. First off, tell me what X cannot be. You might as well do that first. So it can't be -4, 3, and 1. So 1 and 3. Okay? Right away I should know that. You know? Because it's always the opposite, and the opposite. So right away I should know that X cannot be those numbers. Or that bottom will go to 0. Okay? Next. Factor. Parentheses. X, X. This comes up. This tells me that they are same or different? Different. Good. Okay. My product is 12. My sum is 1. And I'm subtracting. So I need two things that multiply to be 12 but subtract to be 1.
3 and 4.
Yep. But it's 4 and 3.
Yeah.
Right? It's very important that you have it as 4 and 3. Okay? Big number first. Alright, let me do this one. This one's a little harder. Remember, you have a parentheses. You have 6x, 6x, right? This comes up, so it's minus. This tells me that they are same. Plus means same. Sum means same.
Could you simplify it?
Ooh, my bad. Thank you. Yeah, we should have simplified first. GCF. Sorry about that. Got ahead of myself. Alright. So, I'm actually going to take this down here. 6x squared minus 9x plus 3. And I'm just going to start doing it's separate. So then I can just plug it in up there. Okay? So, that's going to be 3 goes into that, so it's going to be 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So I get 3 times 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. And now I can have 3 times 2x and 2x. This sign comes down. This tells me that they are the same. Right? My product is 2 times 1, which is 2. And my sum is 3. So I have two things that multiply to be 2, but they add to be 3.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Okay, so it's 2 and 1. My star is a 2, so I need to take out a 2 and a 1. So I'm going to take out a 2 and a 1. That's going to leave me with the 3 still. 2 goes into here once, 2 goes into here once. And then this 1 goes into here twice, 1 goes in here once. So that's what my new, I'll have 3 times x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Okay? Now I'm going to rewrite all of that right here. So I'll have x plus 4 times x minus 3 times 3 times x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 all over x plus 4 times x minus 3 times x minus 1. And then what can I cancel? X plus 4. What else? All the bottom ones, yeah. X minus 3 and x plus 1. So what that leaves me is 3 times 2x minus 1. And then the way that the book usually has you do this is they want you to put it back together. So this is one answer, and then you give me the next answer, which is 6x minus 3. Okay? Whereas x cannot be negative 4, 1, and 3.
Just stop it.
Okay? Questions? Alright, let's do it on this one. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It looks like you guys are, I'm gonna pause.